What's good, everyone? I hope you're doing fantastic. Today we can look at a really strong DeFi ecosystem, Toad network. This will appeal to developers of all backgrounds, investors, traders, and people that simply love dabbling in the DeFi environment. So Toad has visions and values that follows as a community, and it's the main reason it's unique. So they really focus on their community. The community owns a whopping 90% of liquidity, and there's no discrimination whatsoever. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to highlighting more of their amazing benefits. So stick around for the rest of the video because it just gets better. So let's talk about what is Toad? The supply, the creation, the two token model. Well, Toad, we can see is zero coding launchpad. It's got auctions, it's got rug-proof DPLP, vault redeemable backing, DAO governance, fiat on ramp, which is a really cool system there as well. Cross-chain linked liquidity, low cap supply, just 195,000 right there, and fair yield farming. So anyone can add to the systems, and they're welcome to make their own builds, either on the marketing front or the development front. So overall, they're a really friendly, organic community, and there's pretty much no hype in the sense that people are like claiming 1000x, they're not shilling, there's none of this kind of euphoric nonsense where people are trying to just get people to pile in and potentially have a pull of the rug. So this is really important, and they also welcome on board any FUD and any negativity, because that's something that they can build on, develop and expand and improve their network. In addition to this, they have some awesome infographics, really cool artwork, some very creative developers, and a very fun community to get involved with. So yeah, make sure you do hop into their Discord and Telegram channel down below in the description if you want to be part of that freshly growing community. If we just quickly hop into their tokens here on the tokenomics side of things, you can see it's a 2 token just like we were displaying, and Toad is the governance token with a max supply of 200,000, 5,000 were burnt at the launch, and 1% burn of Toad BNB LP tokens on the Toad farms. And we also have the utility token, which is Pad, where we have 200 billion as the total supply. So that's really cool to see these particular figures, as we know there's not an infinite number that could just forever go into circulation. As you can see right here, they also have a really cool academy, which you should just definitely check out on their website. The artwork is just fantastic here. Back into the tokenomics. So we've got Pad here as well, and you know, Toad is unique as there's only one token ever on the cross chain, and also the treasury vault, which is locked container buys 30% of its capacity as Toad Auto, acting like an automated buyback option within bear markets, further reducing its supply, giving confidence to the users as well, decentralizing the holders base. More on that later though, guys. So as you can see here, we've got Pad. Pad has 3 separate versions on 3 different chains. These chains are Binance Smart Chain, Moon River, and Moonbeam. So each of the 3 tokens has a max supply of 200 billion. Pad is fully deflationary, and 2 factors contribute to that. Solo farm that burns 1% of every operation, and the other being the redeemable factor, where you burn it forever to redeem its backing. On every single chain is backed by a treasury backing its valuable with redeemable value once its backing ratio is 100% plus of its supply. You burn it to redeem its backing. More on that later again, guys. So what else could we talk about? Well, Toad is an ecosystem and a DeFi suite that has utility arms on every chain. Every pad on every chain acts like an ETF index for that chain's liquidity and tokens. Thus, Toad acts like an index for all pads across chains, as it's linking liquidity across chains